let's just jump right into this sample trade here, and then I'll talk after that. So you can see here I had a signal come in for binary today 5. I'm going to put in 300, set it to 5 minutes, and then I'm going to set the trade up. You can see it's a call trade, so I'm going to hit up. That means I believe that the market is going to go up. Now I understand that wasn't much of an introduction, but now that the trade is active, we have 4 or 5 minutes to chat. I was going to do a full video today showing a full trading session of binary today 5 because I've been getting a lot of emails lately and comments from people saying, hey, is this still working? Well, yes, it's definitely still working. It never stopped working. As you could see in my income reports, I talk about binary today 5 often, and it is generally the second rated system on the binary today website, only behind binary strategy, another product that I use for trading signals and that works quite well for me. But that doesn't mean I've forgotten about binary today 5, and that certainly means that you should consider using binary today 5 for trading signals. This software used to cost over $200, but in the past 6 months, I decided to drop the price down. I felt that this was a great introductory software for traders. I felt that binary today 5 with the 5-minute expiry time trades is something that any level of trader could use successfully. So that's why I decided to drop the price down. And I thought by dropping the price down, it would make it more accessible to traders in countries where they don't have as much money for trading. And really, you want a software that works, but you want a software that also doesn't take away from your deposit, because you want to be able to use the software and the signals to actually grow your trading account. And so that's another reason why I decided to drop the price down. But let's talk about the trade a little bit. You can see here it's going very well. We're just a couple minutes into the trade, and we are already spiked well above where you would want to be in a call trade. So it's definitely looking like this one will result in a winner. As you can see, I've had a handful of different trades today, and this one was matching up pretty well with the trade assistant. You can see there are 3 out of 4 arrows currently pointed up in the trade assistant. That's at the top left of the screen. And the trade history on the day, it's gone pretty well. I don't really like the on-chart data very much because it doesn't take into account the trade assistant, which is something I use with the majority of trades. But it really depends on how you want to trade. You know, when the signal comes in, you have to decide, am I going to trade this signal or am I going to let it go? And for the most part, I want to trade as many signals as possible, but I will still verify them with the trade assistant. So I will see the trade assistant. Again, it's located in the top left of the screen. 1 red arrow down and 3 green arrows up right now. And generally what I look for is at least 3 out of 4 or 4 out of 4 arrows agreeing with the signal. There are times where I will look at the market myself, or I will say, hey, 2 out of 4 is good enough on this trade. And I really feel like that just comes down to preference and feel. You know, when you've been using the software and using the signals for an extended period of time, whether that be a month, 2 months, 3 months, or over a year, then you get a better feel for when you want to trade and when you don't want to trade. A lot of the time, what I tell my readers is to really mark down the wins, the losses, trade on demo for at least 2 to 3 weeks as you get a feel for it. And when you grow in confidence, then you'll be ready to take the signals to your live account. And that's a great way of doing it. I also get a lot of emails from people asking, where are you trading? Well, a lot of the time I'll trade in MetaTrader like you see here. Or I will trade with different binary options brokers. I know a lot of people trade with IQ option, binary cent, FinMax is one that I've been testing out a lot recently. So there are options out there, and that's very important because you have to have somewhere to place those trades and somewhere where you could get your withdrawals. Now the trade is just finishing. I know it's probably been bored just staring at the screen, but we hit a nice win here, got ourselves a few $100, and that's really what you want to see from a binary today 5 trade. Now this is the only trade I'm showing today, but this is a great 2019 update to show you that the software is working well in the summer of 2019 and will continue to work well as we move into 2020. I see no reason why binary today 5 would falter. It's a strategy that I've created and one that I believe in a whole lot. So I hope that you sign up and check it out, or at least now you know that it's still working very well. So thank you for viewing the video, and if you have any questions or anything you'd like to add, just email me or leave a comment under the video. Okay? Thanks guys. Bye.